Hi guys, it's Jack123. Today I'm here on that video. So today, me, my sister and our friend, we're going to go and see a football match. We're going to go and see EastFife v Hearts. It's going to be at Hearts. This is going to be my first time ever going on a train. So yeah, we'll just be doing video there, and then we'll do one obviously in the stadium. So yeah, we'll see you on the train, guys. So guys, now we're on the train, and I'm with my sister and our friend.
Hi guys.
So I'm just gonna show you a little bit. It's not really brilliant. There's like a bit there where I'm sitting, and again, thanks Claire for letting us come. It's brilliant. So we're gonna see you in the next bit, guys, because we're gonna do it film when we're on the bridge. Yeah, so we'll see you at the bridge, guys. So guys, now we're on the bridge, so let's see the view now. So guys, we're round the corner from the ground, and it's looking quite cool right now. So with my fam. So yeah, see you in the ground, guys. So guys, we're in the stadium now, and I'm going to show you the view of the stadium. It looks brilliant.
So there's like the pitch, they're building something there, it's new stands. So yeah, we're in the stands here. There's a lot of actually EastFife fans. Yeah.
So guys, I'll tell you when it's about to kick off, but then I'll see you there, guys. So guys, the game's nearly over. It's at the 83 minute. But I'm just going to show you a bit of EastFife playing against Hearts. It's 2-0 to Hearts. It's quite rubbish, but EastFife are having good attacks. So yeah, look at the game. So guys, that's the end of this video. But right now in Starbucks, get a drink spot. Say please subscribe. That would be amazing, and I'll see you next video, guys.